Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with two more unboxings. This time I will have two Sephora Favorites kits. They look like this. A tiny one and one that is a little bit bigger than the first one. Let me tell you what's the name for those. The first one is Sephora Favorite Soko to Tokyo. Is the hottest beauty trends inspired by South Korea and Japan. Is this one right here. And the second one is Sephora Favorites Beauty Unmasked. So let's start with the smallest one. And as I just told you, this is the Beauty Unmasked. It's $24 and the value of this one is $64. Let's see what we have in this one. I like the color, the purple color for the box. And this one comes with, here is the box. You can always reuse those boxes for gifts. If you remove the cover, it's a plain box, so great for gifts. Inside looks like this. We have the Love Sephora collection right here. The first thing that we see here, it's a Sephora mask, and this one is the coconut face mask. Then we have a Glam Glow. This one is hard to see what's in this one. Let me look on the packaging. This one is the Super Mud Clearing Treatment in 15 grams, which is 0.5 ounce. So is this one right here. Love Glam Glow. FabFitFun has two masks in full size with a great price right now with the other one with the winter box. So far Glam Glow in this one, a deluxe sample. Then we have Dr. Jart. This is water fused in 10 milliliters Hydra Sleep Mask. I love sleeping mask. Lately my favorite products to use are sleeping masks and face mists. So Dr. Jart in this one, 10 milliliters sleeping mask. And this one, by the way, because I'm just seeing that expires in 2021. Then we have in here the Boscia Luminizing Black Mask, a peel-off mask in 20 grams, which is 0.7 ounce. Then we have an Origins mask. It's Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask, and this one comes with 1 fluid ounce, which is 30 milliliters. So good sizes in here. Then we have a Kiehl's product, and this one is Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask is this one, and this one comes with 0.5 fluid ounces, and this one is 14 milliliters. So Kiehl's. And the last product in here, it's of course a fresh mask. This is the Rose Face Mask. Lovely product. And this one comes with 15 milliliters. So far we have in here 2, 4, 7 masks. Great names in here. Some of them are beautiful. I tried them before. I love them. If you tried those masks, let me know how they worked for you. So far that's all in this kit. In the what was the name for this one? In the Beauty Unmasked, we have the Rose Face Mask from Fresh, beautiful one. We have Origins Clear Improvement. We have also Boscia Black Mask. We have Glam Glow, the clearing, the Super Mud clearing treatment. And then we have Dr. Jart sleeping mask. We have Kiehl's the cleansing mask, and the coconut water face mask, sheet mask. So this is all in this kit. As I told you, this one is 24. I think it's a great price for the quantities of the masks that are in here. At least you're gonna get at least 2-3 usage from each one. So as price, I think it's a great value. Then we have this kit, and this one is called Soko to Tokyo. I got the last year one, and I don't know, for some reason I think I like more the last year one. I have it on my channel also. In the meantime, let's see what we have in this one. Here is the box. It's $40 and has a value of 119. So for this one, always have those stickers. Here is the plain box, and this one, love Sephora again, comes with a face mask, a sheet mask, and this one is Saturday Skin Spotlight Brightening Mask, one piece. Then the box inside looks like this. We have in here in total 10 items with this one. The first one in here is from Boscia, and this one is exfoliating peeling gel in 50 milliliters. I think it's a great size. Then we have a primer from Touch and Soul. I use this one right now in a full size in my project pen, and it's a nice primer. We have also in here a lip mask, and it cannot be anything else than the Laneige one, the sleeping lip mask. I'm trying to get this one out. Sorry for the noise. Yes, we have the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Is this one a tiny packaging, and here is the mask inside. Then we have my favorite product in this box. It's from SK Tune. This is the facial treatment essence. Love this essence. All the time when I put this one on my face, I feel a difference. My skin feels so nice. Love to get samples of this one, because this one in a full size, I think it's almost $200, so not cheap at all. Always enjoy the samples. This one comes with 30 milliliters, which is not bad. Then we have an Amore Pacific item, and this one is the Essential Cream Fluid. You saw this item in the, if you watch my channel, in the Amore Pacific Advent Calendar, and this one comes with 5 milliliters, not 15, is this sample right here. Then we have a Dr. Jart product, and this one is the Tiger Grass. This one comes with, is the Chica Pear Derma Green Solution. It's Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment, and this one comes with 10 milliliters. A product that comes very often in boxes. Then we have the Shiseido Ultimum is the power infusing concentrate, and this one comes with 10 milliliters. Another nice product that I tried a while ago and I like it. Then there is in here glow recipe, the well-known watermelon glow. This time it's not the mask, it's the watermelon glow pink juice moisturizer in 10 milliliters. I love the watermelon mask from them. I didn't try the, what I did, I think I tried the moisturizer, the pink one from them in samples of the week. I'm not so sure, or was a different moisturizer. Anyway, it's a nice brand. And the last product in here, by the color, I think it's a Belief product. Yes, it's the Belief moisturizing eye balm. Is this one right here, and this one comes with 5 milliliters. So here is this one. So far 10 products in this box. I do like the box as I like all the Sephora Favorites boxes. Here is this one. I like when it comes with this plastic holder. So far a great size, 50 milliliters of a peeling gel from Boscia, a primer, an essence, a lip mask, a treatment, an eye cream, 2 moisturizers, and the face mask. So those are those 2 kits from Sephora, the mask one and the so-called to Tokyo. I have, as I told you, the last year one, and was another great Sephora Favorites box. Let me know what do you think about those 2 boxes. I will love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers. I will see you guys very soon with another video. I'm still waiting for a couple advent calendars, and one of them is gonna be the Liberty one, the Birch box. What else? A new one that I never heard before, and I don't know, probably 1 or 2 more. In the meantime, you have an amazing day. See you soon. Bye bye.